Welcome to Dashcam Info. My name is Dirk and today we're looking at the Arpha B25. Now this is a dual channel dashcam. That's nothing special, but the specialty here is that if we would use it as a single front cam, we could operate it in 5K 25 FPS, and if we're using it as a dual channel dashcam with the front and the rear attached, then it can record up to 4K 30 FPS in the front and 1080p in the rear. Also 30 FPS. I have it already installed in the car, and in this video I'll show you the unboxing, the installation, we're taking a look at the app, and of course I'll show you also footage by day and by night. In the box we get a nice looking power adapter. This is an adapter cable combining rear view camera and power cable. And this is the USB to USB-C power cable. We get our rear camera on a really nice long cable, hooks and tools for cable management. Of course also a manual is included. We get transparent adhesive films as an extra layer before installing the front and the rear camera, and an extra adhesive patch to reinstall the front camera. Now that's what I call a sleek, slim, elegant looking dashcam. I really like the design, it is so clean and clear. On the right side we do have one USB-C port for everything, and next to it is the port for the micro SD card, and by the way a 64 GB card is already inserted. To install the rear camera all you need to do is peel off the protection film and press it whether against the window directly or against the pre-installed adhesive layer. And now you would rotate it in a direction where it makes sense to you. You can later on adjust everything, and if the picture is upside down you can flip it in the menu. Before installing the dashcam to my windshield, I first inserted the USB-C cable from the included adapter. Now I connected the rear view camera and then the power cable to the adapter. And now I try to find the right angle and I press the dashcam against my pre-installed adhesive film on my windshield. Position it up or down, get the cable out of the way, and now it's time to power it on for the first time. The dashcam greets us with a welcoming sound.
Recording started. Wi-Fi is on.
And with the confirmation that our Wi-Fi is on, we are going to connect our app. In your Wi-Fi settings on your phone, look for the B25 network and type in the top secret passcode 12345678. Once connected, open your Arpha Vision app on your phone, and if you don't have one, just scan the QR code in the manual to download it. To access the menu, you have to stop the recording and press on the gear wheel top right. Here I want to set the resolution to 4K in the front and 1080p in the rear. It's super easy to access and to change settings, and everything is really self-explaining. To view or to download your footage you need to go back, stop the recording again and click on Dashcam Albums. And thanks to the 5G network we can download or view it blazing fast. A blinking blue LED light is the indicator that we're actually recording. Time for me to show you some footage by day, front in 4K 30 FPS and the rear in 1080p. And here's some footage by night, again front in 4K and rear 1080p. What I really like about the B25 is that we have an adapter cable connecting power and rear camera so that only one cable goes into the actual dash cam, eliminating a lot of cables hanging around here. So that's good for cable management. Overall, what are your thoughts? Also, if you have questions about installation or setup, I'm happy to respond. A free way to support my channel would be to leave a like, and if you like the channel overall, please consider to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Till the next time, stay safe, stay tuned, and take care. Bye for now.